Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We have got rattan furniture which we've had now for about 10 years, and some of the chairs had started to look a bit of a different colour, so I thought why not give it a spray and revamp it instead of buying new furniture. So if you want to see how I turned this into this, then just carry on watching. So this is our table and chair set, and as you can see some of the chairs are a different colour. We've got a pinky one here and a beigey coloured one there, and we've also got the matching lounges, and as you can see these are more of a pink than a beige. Okay, so what you're going to need is some kind of garden furniture spray. I have gone for the Rust-Oleum Chalky Finish Garden Spray, which primes and is water resistant all in one. And you will also need some disposable gloves and a disposable mask. And to protect your grass or patio area, you can use some old sheets. I've just used some old duvet covers which we've had lying around. Lastly, you are going to need some old clothes, and here I am rocking my old maternity pants. So once all your garden furniture has been cleaned, you then need to mask off any areas of metalwork. I'm masking off the feet of the chairs. I'm also masking off the bramble crest signs. And once you've done this to all the furniture, you're ready to start spraying. Okay, for the table we've masked off the areas again. We've removed the glass, and we're now ready to spray. So I'm starting from the centre of the table and working my way outwards. I'm also shaking the can quite a lot as I go along. I didn't want to spray underneath the table, only the sections that you could see, so here I'm just showing you the bars. With all the furniture, after one coat, leave to dry for 24 hours and then check if things need touching up, and do this as and where's needed. I also did exactly the same with the sun lounges, and this is what they look like after one coat. And here's the finished look.